Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake from biscuits. First, gather your ingredients. About 5 to 6 biscuits, 1 cup of cold milk, and 2 generous scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream. You'll also need a blender, a tall glass, and a spoon for serving. Make sure your biscuits are firm, as this will give the best texture. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious treat. Now let's get blending. Carefully break your biscuits into smaller pieces and drop them into your blender. Next, pour in 1 cup of cold milk. This helps to soften the biscuits and create a smooth base. Finally, add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. The ice cream adds creaminess and a delightful sweetness, making your milkshake truly indulgent. Blend until smooth. Once all ingredients are in, secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. You want a smooth, consistent texture without any large biscuit chunks. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. If too thin, add another small scoop of ice cream. Pour your perfectly blended milkshake into a chilled glass right away for the best experience. Enjoy this delightful creation. Here are a few tips to elevate your biscuit milkshake. Feel free to experiment with different types of biscuits like chocolate or digestive to create unique flavor profiles. For an extra special touch, garnish your milkshake with a drizzle of chocolate syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or even some crushed biscuit crumbs. It makes it look as good as it tastes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.